for the very first time in the history of Wales, Black people are on panels and there is therefore this is about sowing into the future generation. Your history matters because you are Wales.
I've seen people looking at this and thinking, if only you knew that it was me walking behind you that actually shows this, I get a bit of a buzz from that.
The museum now welcomes people in a way they didn't before and wants them to be involved right from the very, very core. The group of people that I work with, adults with learning disabilities, and there's now a very, very strong feeling that the museum is there for them.
Yr hyn ni'n trio wneud yw sicrhau bod lle a llais I bawb yng ngwaith yr Amgueddfa. I ni wedi canolbwyntio ar wirfoddoli ac edrych ar y ffordd I ni'n gallu defnyddio'n rhaglenni gwirfoddoli ni I gefnogi pobl o ran I lleisiant a datblygu I sgiliau nhw. I ni hefyd wedi edrych ar llinyn o amrywiaeth a holi cwestiynau ynglyn â beth I ni'n casglu, pwy I ni yn cynrychioli yn yr Amgueddfa. A gyda ni wrth gwrs llinyn sydd yn gwerthuso, a wedyn yn ola, dyn ni'n edrych ar y newid diwylliannol. Sut I ni fel Amgueddfa yn newid?
It's really, really important when we're making changes to involve everyone who will be responsible for delivering that change, from trustees, directors, all of the staff and volunteers as well.
I think it's important to be open and honest and go, this is where we are now, and then be clear on where you want to be in the future and to make that process at the beginning something that everyone has a part in.
It's been 2 years, it's been amazing. I'm now a cleaner now, as well as a museum assistant, and a wayfinder to show people around if they get lost.
The big thing for me, Matthew is now in paid work. He started off as a volunteer, right? He mastered the job, he's there today, and he's in paid employment.
Wel, yn gyntaf wedi doffen yn ysgol, so fi siŵr beth I nes I cael experience yn y lle braith. Sydd I briefio gyda pobl, sydd I siarad gyda fatha tourists a pethau fel yna. Gyda peth sydd skills yna gallu rhwng trwy peth am ti nath deud wrth fi am y peth yna fi ple am fo ac wedi cael ar y peth.
It's become abundantly clear that Africans and African Caribbean community members actually want proper representation of Black history and Black art in St. Fagans, because Black history is Welsh history.
I mean, coming from the community, I think it'll be a lot easier for me to engage with the community that I'm actually from, and especially when communities are giving you something that is really worth a lot to them. Newtown, Loudon Square is only a mile radius, but when you've got 48 nationalities living all, that is multiculturalism. And this is what I love to see the museum reflecting, is that multiculturalism.
Dyw'r gwaith yma ddim yn rhywbeth dros dro. I ni wedi creu cyllidebau creiddiol, felly bod ni ddim yn ddibynnol ar gyllid allanol yn unig ar gyfer y gwaith hwn. Mae hwn I ni yn ffordd o weithio, yn ffordd wahanol o fod yn amgueddfa genedlaethol.
I hope it becomes the norm across Wales, across the UK really, that this is how it works, that museums, they're about the people.